This is food court. Fashion show mall.
Are you hungry or no? 'Cause I'm not.
Dito niya pala yun. Ano yan eh?
That was really fun.
Tawag dito.
Yeah.
Silver?
Well, and just
Silver.
like
Silver.
oh,
The car's that way anyways.
Ayun yung mga maleta oh. Tingnan natin. Nasaan yung, ayun pala yung Louis Vuitton. Can we look around? Do you mind if I look around?
No, no, you can look around.
Ang mamahal din.
Entero.
Ang mamahal din eh. Tinignan ko lang.
Samsung.
Ganda ito oh. Maganda yung may charger. Ayan o, may charger.
Oh, may charger.
Yeah. Force.
Eh, paano
Force design.
pupuno electricity ito?
Solar niya. May solar.
lang ba ito?
May solar siguro siya.
Oh.
It does have a solar or
That's Porsche.
no, that's,
Wala.
Italian.
no price?
Oh, yeah, it's got the price on it. It's $5.95.
Oh,
595.
Mm-hmm.
good price too. Oh,
Yeah, we got black, we got white, blue, gray. 4 different colors.
Okay.
It's a very good price though. It also has a laptop holder in the front.
Oh, that's a laptop holder.
Oh yeah, you
Oh.
just open this.
They can poke the zipper to open it.
No, yeah, you got TSA lock.
I mean, sometimes they poke in the zipper to
No,
open
this
it.
is a waterproof zipper though. The front part. See, that is. If anybody wants to do that, then they can even steal the whole bag. You know why you want
There's
to poke
no sounds to alert. I mean, like alert
that? Yeah, you
when
can
they
get
poke
those.
the zipper. Because in the airport, usually they poke the zipper to open it, to force to open.
Everything is zipper.
Yeah.
We sell a lot of these bags though. I mean, somebody wants to steal anything, they can even just break into your car and steal whatever they want to. You know.
Yeah, you're right.
So,
Okay, thanks.
but these are TSA locks, so they do not do that.
Yeah.
Knock out half of the road.
Parang presyong ano, parang presyong Louis Vuitton. Kasi Porsche yun eh. Parang Porsche.
First,
Oo. Oo. Anyway.
No, these ones.
Ayan lang. Shop around. Shop around. Oh,
today.
we just wanna look for bag.
That's good. Well, I just wanted to
We've
use
been,
oh,
we've been in the other store over there.
yeah, and they didn't have a whole lot?
No, we bought a perfume.
Oh, there you go. Look at that.
Mm.
Well, fingers crossed we find something good here. If you
Okay.
two do have any questions while you're out here, my name's Caleb. I'll be happy to help out tonight.
Okay, nice to meet you, Carl.
Thank you, Will.
Come in. How you doing?
Wala na sila. Pinarasan sa Compressor School na linig na po.
Pabango?
Oo.
Yun yun.
Thank you all so much for your patience.
Okay.
Welcome on in. This is Jose. I'll be happy to help you today.
Okay, thank you. We took a look around first. Okay.
Ganun
Tingnan ko
din
yun.
yan.
Yeah. I just wanna see. Also, ganda. Maganda yun.
Okay. Totally mo sa Pilipinas.
Hold up in ka. Yeah, I just wanna see the price.
I can't have you record.
Oh,
They
sorry.
don't have recording. You can take
I didn't
pictures
know.
all you